Hello again. Come on down. I want to show you plant selection on this wall, which is different than the lower wall that we just showed with the Sedum Kamchaticum. So we said that lower wall didn't get much sun. This one hardly gets any at all because it's shaded by the house and the way the sun tracks. So we needed something to put in here that definitely was going to work really well without any sun. And we wanted something, we had the same requirements. We wanted something that was tough, was going to totally cover the wall. We wouldn't plant it every year. And we chose this Baltic ivy, this ivy Thorndale. And it's grown significantly since we planted it from small 50 millimeter plugs. But what's going to happen with this one is the ivy is going to cascade all around here. And again, a year or so from now, you won't really see the blocks. But deer don't eat this. It doesn't really need any special care. It's long lived. We have planted retaining walls with ivy that are 35 years old that have been totally grown over. You can't even find the blocks today. I mean, it's pretty amazing how it works. But another thing about the ivy is ivy will get all over the place on you, but containing it here where it's not going to run into this rock patio, and we're going to trim it off if it gets up in the top. So we can contain it in the face of the wall, and it'll give us great long-lasting coverage, drought resistance, deer resistance, everything that we need. Again, we could have planted it a lot of different ways. Like, look at this ajuga that's on top. These were just tiny little plugs a month ago, and now they're starting to flower. They've probably grown by 4 times since we planted them. And we could have put this in the wall, but this is not a really long-lived perennial. We might get 2 or 3 years out of that. It tends to get some diseases, and you could lose it all. So we have it as an accent, as a cap, but we didn't put it in the pockets of the wall because I don't want to plant it all the time. So another instance of good plant selection. And again, we can help you choose the right plants for your wall. Just call us and ask us. But that's the way we did this one. Thanks for watching.